Hi peeps, it's Kay. Good morning. Thank you for coming on my walk with me today. Did you know that there is a fruit that can whiten your teeth? We're gonna see that today. Isn't the sun beautiful, slanting through the trees? I love it in the morning. We're gonna go over to my neighbor's house and see some of her flowers. So my closest neighbor has many flowers that are from all over the world. And as you can see, this yellowish bush right here is Joseph's coat or croton. And there's some purple bougainvillea. The purple part is called brax, and it's a paper fin covering a little tiny white flower. Next to it is a red hibiscus. The red hibiscus in Malaysia is the national flower, and it's called a bunga raya. Then we have a purple oleander. Stay away from that. The whole plant is toxic. And in my favorite, lemongrass. This is a coconut palm, and coconuts are actually not a nut. They are like a peach or a cherry with a pit. So coconuts are very popular here. The next plant I want to show you is an eggplant, and the eggplant was named Eggplant by the British in British India because they had this favorite little white eggplant that looked like an egg. And the Arabic aubergine is from Sanskrit. This is a papaya tree. Papaya trees can grow 60 feet in 18 months, and the fruit can get up to 2 pounds. But they're delicious. This is a jackfruit tree. These fruits can grow up to 1 meter long. They taste kind of banana-ish, and the chickens definitely like it too. This is a plant you want to stay away from. This is a toxicodendron, and it has an allergic reaction that blisters your skin, so stay away from that plant. This is Plumeria. It's usually in cemeteries in Malaysia because the smell is very sweet. And here's a banana hand with little baby banana fingers, and this is what can whiten your teeth. Just rub the peel on your teeth for a week. So please like and just subscribe to my channel. Visit Kaymartco.com for my blogs. Thank you.